Listen, sometimes you just want to watch a movie for its popcorn eatability. This weekend, Netflix has the perfect one for you. But pehle, brand new merch shelf at the bottom of this video. Dekho. Written and directed by Jay Blakeson, whose previous work I am not familiar with. I Care a Lot is a thriller about a legal guardian who dupes courts into letting her become caretaker for old people when they seemingly can't do it on their own. And then she gradually dismantles her wards' lives, stealing all their assets one by one, until one day she messes with the wrong old lady. I Care a Lot is not nearly the best, most exciting, highly suspenseful movie out there. It's not a Coen Brothers or a Christopher Nolan or Sriram Raghavan, and yet it manages to be 100% entertaining despite its overflowing cheesiness. Rosamund Pike is Marla, the anti-hero, who looks like she just stepped off a fashion show runway. Tall like a Barbie / Kendall Jenner, dressed like a dictionary illustration of the word vamp, short, harsh hair, piercing eyes, each and every word clearly enunciated in a very low volume. She knows the vulnerabilities of America's elderly care system, the ins, outs, loopholes, better than anyone should. And she isn't hiding that a wall in her office has rows upon rows of pictures of people she's supposedly taking care of, like a serial killer plotting a murder. And yet, the judge keeps falling for her shtick over and over again when literally anyone can tell this woman is clearly evil. She's using her femininity for said evil. But the film doesn't address that. क्योंकि ज़रूरत नहीं है. Marla is in a relationship with her assistant Fran, played by Eliza Gonzalez. Very hot. Together, they're the perfect face of the operation. Two young women wanting to do good. Behind the scenes, they're femme fatales, challenging patriarchy by rejecting it even in their choice of romantic partners. This film unfolds like a flimsy John Grisham novel. It's simple, it's effective, in parts perplexing to a keen observer, slightly underwhelming even, multiple villains, simple plot, and an easy breezy viewing experience. Peter Dinklage plays one of the bad guys, and while he's supposed to be menacing and scary, his murder attempts are very roadrunner. Yahan bottle rakh do, iski gaadi duba do. The henchmen are laughably silly, the disguises are bad, the side characters are conveniently naive, and the lawyers are very lawyery. There's also a pouch of diamonds in a bank, like it's freaking andaz apna. But the thing is, this is all by design, and the film leans into its simplicity. It only wants you to enjoy looking at these talented, good-looking actors, savor the mild and predictable plot twists, and then forget about it. Unlike David Fincher's Gone Girl, Rosamund Pike here will not linger to haunt your dreams. The film doesn't reach or affect your brain like that because it can't be bothered to. And you know what? That's okay. If this weekend it feels like the world is too much to deal with right now, vaccine lagegi ya nahi lagegi, just pour yourself a beer, open a bag of chips and get away for 2 hours. But it does teach you कि अगर दांत जबड़े में से निकल जाए तो उसको मिल्क में डुबा के रखना चाहिए apparently. Watch it on Netflix, you'll know. Now for relation mein recommendation. In I Care a Lot, I love how all the main leads are women. Good, bad, grey, young, old. It's a women's world. It's damn empowering to watch Rosamund Pike talk of all the times men have threatened to destroy her and failed, and anger she uses as fuel to display a frankly unbelievable sense of calm in the face of death, considering she's just a con artist and not a trained assassin, but whatever, she makes it work. In that vein, I'd recommend you watch Portrait of a Lady on Fire, an entirely different kind of film. It's on both Mubi and Amazon Prime, I believe. Again, a world where men exist, but no one gives a crap about them. Do check out my merch shelf at the bottom of this video, please. We are shipping internationally as well. अगर कोई दिक्कत हो तो DM कीजिए कड़क merch को Instagram पर. And subscribe to my channel. Up next, Casting Call का नया episode featuring Fatima Sana Sheikh and a live stream also separately. We'll talk about WandaVision, okay? Subscribe.